Hello treasures, welcome to my channel for another sumptuous video. This drink is so yummy, so refreshing, and you can get this just with few ingredients. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this yummy and delicious drink. Let's get started. So starting here, we have a tiger nut here. This is 4 cups of tiger nut which I soaked for 2 days. Yes, I soaked it for 2 days. I washed and soaked for 2 days and then rinsed it very well now before bringing out for this tiger nut milk. And we have a date which normally goes with it, and ginger. I'm not sure I'll be using all the dates. I might use 2/3 of these dates. Then ginger. And for the twist, we'll be adding pineapple and beetroot. I already have a video of tiger nut milk where I used beetroot. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So today we'll be adding beetroot and pineapple. This is nutrient dense drink. So let's continue. So I'll go ahead now, add everything into my blender, add some water and blend until smooth. But I'm going to be blending this 2 times. I'm not going to add all at once. You can see it is much. So you blend as much as your blender can take. After blending, I'll transfer it into my chiffon bag or make nut bag and squeeze it until I squeeze out all the juice or milk from it. You can also use your sieve for this, but it's going to take time if you use it, so it's always better to use a cloth for it. So after extracting the juice and the milk, I kept it in the freezer for some time. This will help to prevent it from getting bad. You know how tiger nut can easily sour or get bad. So keeping it in the refrigerator or freezer will help to prevent that. Next, I'll remove the foam and then go ahead and stir everything together and bottle our drink. Keep watching. You can also notice how the tiger nuts separated and settled at the bottom. That's because tiger nut has some starch in it. Look at that beautiful color. The color from the beetroot. And you know, beetroot is also very healthy, boosts your blood, gives energy, and all that. The taste of this drink is out of this world. So yummy, so delicious, so refreshing. I hope you'll be giving this a try. Add beetroot and pineapple to your tiger nuts and thank me later. So I'll go ahead now and bottle the drink and I'll be doing this off camera. One, two, three, go. Here we have our tiger nut, beetroot, pineapple, and ginger drink. Did I forget anyone? Oh, dates. That's five ingredients. So refreshing. Whoa. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.